Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Military TV. Air warfare has progressed to a stage where advancements in technology have transformed contemporary fighter pilots into air battle managers. Equipped with state-of-the-art air weapons and integrated systems. In the present era, it is uncommon for fighter pilots to frequently encounter air combat maneuvering or dogfight situations. As we reflect on the progress made in air combat, it's fascinating to see how fighter pilots have transitioned from pistols and biplanes to unmanned combat air vehicles, or UCAV and integrated systems. Modern fighter pilots now serve as air battle managers, utilizing advanced weaponry and integrated systems to navigate complex combat scenarios. One of the key training grounds for honing these skills is the Red Flag exercise at Nellis Air Force Base in Nevada. This annual event simulates real-world scenarios, fostering international cooperation among allies. And ensuring that air crews are well prepared for combat situations.
Well, this one's unique because it's the first time we've had the F-35 participate in Red Flag. So we've got, in addition to the normal array of F-15s, F-16s, and recently F-22s, we're now adding in the F-35. And this Red Flag also has our coalition partners, the Australians and the United Kingdom. Britain brought their aircraft as well.
The exercise also tests the readiness of high-tech aircraft in intense yet safe conditions.
The reason we need to train in a realistic environment is that we need to prepare our pilots, our air crew, our space operators, our cyber operators for their combat missions. And the only way to do that is to train them in a realistic environment.
The process of preparing for a scramble, where pilots need to be combat ready within a short time frame, underscores the importance of efficiency. From donning flight suits to performing checks on equipment, every moment counts.
We got time, XO. We got time.
You guys ready? Isaac, you ready?
Yeah. On your mark. Get set. Go. Go.
The collaboration between air and ground crews ensures that the aircraft is fueled, armed, and ready for takeoff. Once airborne, pilots receive crucial information about the likely positions of adversaries. While beyond visual range, or BVR engagements are expected, the importance of air combat maneuvering, or dogfighting, cannot be overlooked. The ability to effectively maneuver the aircraft is essential. And training exercises like low-level king and flying contribute to this skill set. Discipline and esprit de corps play a vital role in military aviation, exemplified by units like the Blue Angels. This elite Navy flight demonstration squadron not only dazzles audiences with precision aerobatics, but also serves important roles in recruitment, boosting morale and showcasing the capabilities of the United States Navy. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful explorations into the world of aviation and military technology. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more engaging content in the future. See you next time.
This is clear with a